Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you're a return, welcome back. Today we have a No Pan Left Behind and we're getting into the Rogue palette from Fantasy Cosmetica. So you want to see what I come up with this palette, stick around.
Troubles on the mind, hand around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, so like I said, we have the No Pan Left Behind with the Rogue palette from Fantasy Cosmetica. This is the color story. From now on, I am going to be restructuring the way I do the No Pan Left Behind, just because I've got so many in that cupboard, and I need to kind of get some of them out of there because I've got more coming in. So I'm going to use every pan in this palette, and then I'm going to move on to the next one, and then once I'm done with it, I will figure out if I want to move it to my collection or not. So we're going to get started with this, and probably going to do like 2 looks out of this. But probably don't have on the right outfit for these colors, so maybe I might have to change. But I don't really care about that because for some reason I had deodorant all over my shirt. It's a whole issue. Anyways, I am going to use the Trace Loose Eye Primer, prime my eyes, and we are going to get started. Alright, so these are the shades, and they didn't swatch on all that well. As you can see, the swatches are a little bit patchy, and it kind of is what it is. That doesn't necessarily make the shades bad or the formula bad, but it is something to keep in mind moving forward. All right, I think I'm going to go in with these blues and that purple.
Paintings on the wall with just a dash of ignorance and bliss. For dead roses and the feel of a hesitated kiss.
My camera is messing up, so we're going to see how much of this look we can get on camera, and yeah. Anyways, I took this dark blue shade here. We're just going to kind of push that up into the crease and a little bit above it so that it does show above the crease.
Nighttime drives, you no longer look me in the eyes. No kiss goodbye, no more bright and shining lights, my colors dim. When I'm with him, I'm not the same I was before. I'll be okay, I'll be just fine. Just please don't rain today. All the pictures left on dresses from moments we will miss. Two lost people in a world where we wish to not exist. I just can't wait. Can't stay in bed and try to sleep it all away. Please don't rain today. Ooh, please don't rain today. Nighttime dries, you no longer look me in the eyes. No kiss goodbye, no more bright and shining lights, my colors dim. When I'm with him, I'm not the same I was before. I'll be okay, I'll be just fine. Just please don't rain today. Oh, darling, let's not make a mistake. Love is much too kind to fake. Maybe it's time to meet our fate. Nighttime drives, you no longer look me in the eyes. No kiss goodbye, no more bright and shining lights. My colors dim. When I'm with you, I'm not the same. Today, ooh, please don't rain today.
Good enough. I am going to apply the rest of my face. We'll come back and work on the lower lash line.
For dead roses and the feel of a hesitated kiss. Please don't rain today, I just can't wait. Can't stay in bed and try to sleep it all away. Please don't rain today. Please don't rain today. Nighttime drives, you no longer look me in the eyes. No kiss goodbye, no more bright and shining lights. My colors dim. When I'm with him, I'm not the same I was before. I'll be okay. I'll be just fine. Just please don't rain today. All the pictures left on dresses from moments we will miss. Two lost people in a world where we wish to not exist. Today, I just can't wait. Can't stay in bed and try to sleep.
All right, I'm gonna find an inner corner shade and be right back. I got a nice one here. This is from Fantasy Cosmetics. It's Booze Door.
Nighttime dries, you no longer look me in the eyes. No kiss goodbye, no more bright and shining lights. My colors dim. When I'm with him, I'm not the same I was before. I'll be okay. I'll be just fine.
All right, this is my final look using the Rogue palette from Fantasy Cosmetica. I used Sleight of Hand, Deception, Stealth, Subtle, and Cunning. And this is what I came up with. All right, next time we will use the Trickster, the Sneak Attack, the Shadows shade, and the Assassin's shade. But I hope you have enjoyed this No Pan Left Behind. I don't know the quality of the recording. My camera keeps messing up, and so I'm going to have to figure out what is going on with it. It keeps shutting off, and it keeps glitching and throwing me a code, and I'm not happy with it. So there's it. So I hope this recording has turned out all right. I will try and make sure that my recordings are, you know, kind of clipped. Reading the story, though, that is getting a little hectic to try to make sure I'm not reading 4 pages ahead and then, you know, my camera shuts off and it didn't save any of what was recorded. So hopefully, yeah. All right. So again, this is the No Pan Left Behind series, where I am using every pan in a palette, and then I will figure out if I would like to add it to my collection or put it in the declutter box. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All the good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.